Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Let me show you how simple it is with our new equalizer system, turnkey system, push button system, to get your information in front of up to 10,000 people every day with the push of a few buttons. Literally no more than less than 5 minutes a day to be able to accomplish that. Pretty exciting. Doesn't matter if you already have a product or not. If you don't have a good committed company and a great product, we do, you'll be able to read this information and it'll show you exactly how to be part of our team and what we're able to accomplish and show you how to take part in our success. You'll hit a go button and it'll explain each step. Our main opportunity, taking transfer factor of the world, whether you go with this with the income opportunity or not, I know for sure if you're interested in wellness and anti-aging, you want to see the ultimate product on a world patent that's making marketing history right now, and how you'll be able to take that to the marketplace with this system. Okay? And all the parts to the system I'm showing you right now are all here listed on the page. The person that turned you on this information can help you get that. Here's how it works. First thing I suggest is I'm using XP. It doesn't matter which one you use. They're pretty similar to do this, but I want you to put 2 folders on your desktop. Just click your Start button, click My Documents or Documents in Vista, and click on New Folder. Okay, you're going to do this twice, 2 different folders. In the first one, you just right-click right on the new folder down here and hit Rename and name it List Ready. And the other folder, List Sent. And all you got to do is just move them then right out on the desktop. You can grab a hold of them with your left mouse button down and drag it right up here to desktop and let it go, and it'll move it right out onto the desktop. Just like this. You see the one here, Leads Ready and Leads Sent. Once a month you'll get an email from the system that'll have 20 leads in it and 5 different attachments. Each one has 5,000 leads, all prepared, ready for the system to send them. You don't have to do anything to them. All you need to do is go up here into File when you get the email, click Save Attachments. It'll ask you basically down here where you want them saved, and we want to put them right on the desktop in the Leads Ready file that we just made, that folder, and click Save. Okay. And then you can go ahead and close out that email. And if you go then to the desktop right here that says Leads Ready, and we click it open, there's all 5 of your leads all there. That's all you need to do. They're ready to go. Okay. Once we send them, we'll show you how to rename that list as Sent and what site you send them to, and move them right over into your Leads Sent list. Okay. The very next thing that we're going to do right now, okay, is to open up. In fact, let me do this. Let's go right to our panel. Let's go up on the internet. Okay. And you'll be able to go right to a panel, what we call a control panel that you have. Okay, it looks like this. It'll have your name and everything up there instead of mine. It'll talk about the leads you have, and by the way, with this system, anytime you want to use some of your own leads or create your own emails, you just go on to this click here button, preparing it, and you can do that. Otherwise, you don't have to touch anything. You'll have your 2 ready and a sent folder on the desktop, and you'll be getting these leads, and as you saw, we put them in there. This will tell you what your user ID is. In my case, it's RK. So whenever I put one of the emails out that are made for me here, I want to make sure I add my information at the end of each link. So I would put RK and then decide which web page I wanted to send them to, which splash page. These are the 6 different pages you'll start with. Whether you want to now promote, take a look at them. If it's our Rio Vita, the ultimate product with our transfer factor and the biggest mover in the company here, with a video and everything explaining it for you, all personalized to you. Or you might decide that you want to go with our Energy Go Sticks to get people's attention. This is an incredible, powerful product. You see the site and everything is all ready for you to go, all personalized for you. So all you would do is you would come to your panel, pick which page you want to promote today, and let's say it's anti-aging. It has an audio and everything that goes with it. Okay. All you would do if you're picking that for the day, your page 3, is pick the email below it, and we're going to copy or cut and paste this. If you haven't done that before, is all you need to do is put your cursor in front of wherever, whatever word is the first word you want to pick up. Hold your left mouse button down, don't let it go, and just slide that cursor right down to the bottom of the page. Okay? and see it turned a darker color there, and just let your finger go off the left mouse button, go up into Edit at the top, and click on Copy. You just copied that now. Now you have a hold of it. We're going to go up into the back button, go back to our panel. Scroll right down to the push button emailer link, click it open. It'll ask you for your ID and password. And just log right into your emailer. Put your cursor right into the big box on the right. Click the left mouse button so your cursor is in there. Go right up into your edit button at the top here and click paste. You just pasted that email right into the system. Remember, here's a link right here at the bottom. Remember, we have to add your information right on the end of that. In my situation, it'd be RK, and the page number that we're promoting is number 3. And so I put that on there. Now look and make sure in that email I don't have any other addresses in there that need completed. Okay. Then the first sentence we picked up is actually the subject line. So all you do is go to the front or back of that, hold down your left mouse cursor down and slide it right across, darken that up, and you can actually just put your arrow, anything, your cursor button right up here, hold the left mouse button down and slide it right up and let that finger go, and it moved that title right up there. I might want to bring this on up to the top. I have the email. And we're going to put our name in here. It could be your personal name. I like to use Eye Opener Network to let everybody get used to our system that's out here and get familiar with it. That side of the system is done. You've got your email in, you've got a subject line. That's all you have to do there, and the subject header here. Go over to the left side, click Browse at the top. You see that right here? Okay. And it's showing me my desktop. And remember, we have in here where it says Leads Ready. So I'm going to click that once and click Open. And there's that folder on my desktop with the 5 different lists in it, 5,000 each one. Click, let's say start with 1. Let's click that once and click Open. You see that right up here next to Browse, it puts some information on there where it's stored. We're going to click on here without titles. If we were using first names for these emails, you'd click with titles, but we're doing it without, and just hit load. In 1 second, all of those emails from that list have been loaded into the system. You see here at the bottom there's 5,002 of them, okay? And you're ready to go. All you need to do now is click Send Messages here on the right. Okay? And if you notice, there's a scroll bar here on the right, and there's a little gap at the bottom, and if you watch that gap, it keeps getting bigger as the emails go out. And if I want to see what's occurred, all I do is grab a hold, put your left mouse button down, pull that scroll bar down, look over here to the left side, and you'll see the emails that are going out, been sent. I can just keep scrolling down and keep watching it happen until 5,002 of them are done. Tell me where they were sent. All right, that's it, you guys. You can leave your computer run, minimum screen, come back anytime you want, pop it back up, how far it's gone at this point. Okay. That's it. That's how simple it really is. To be able to get to 5,000 to 10,000 people on a day, okay, with your information with a push of a button. And basically the basic part here only took me, what, a couple minutes to do. Okay. And so get back with the person that's turned you on to this information. Make sure you get all your questions answered. Let us get this system in place for you and help us take Transfer Factor to the world.